rain today, but some are the exception to that rule. This is what we mean by locally heavy rainfall. For example, lots of reports out of Bullard of a lot of rainfall, and we've seen over 3 inches over the last couple of days. Now, in Van Zant County, we've seen even more rain, about 4 inches near the Canton vicinity, and further off to the south, we continue to see some fairly heavy rainfall in deep East Texas. You can see that right here in Trinity and Houston County. But let's go ahead and show you what's happening along Interstate 20. This is a bit concerning because in the town of Canton, we have seen quite a bit of rain, and it does not seem to be letting up. It should here in the next 30 minutes to an hour, but lots of heavy rain, gusty winds. It's just a miserable trip home for everybody that might be working today. And as we look over Smith County, the heaviest rain has been to the north of Interstate 20, but remember what we reported to you in Bullard? Well, they saw quite a bit of heavy rain over the last couple of days, so that is the exception. Now, further off to the south and to the southeast, Shelby County, a few showers right now, and we will continue to see off and on showers probably through about 1 or 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. And here's the culprit. We do have a stationary front. What this stationary front does is it provides lift and really begins to tap into Gulf moisture and the temperatures, so the energy and the moisture needed for storms to happen. And typically it's just hot and humid here, but when we have a stationary front, we can see quite a bit of rain with these summer showers and thunderstorms. And this is going to be the weather pattern here over the next couple of days. As I mentioned before, through 1 or 2 in the morning, storms are fair game, but they will decrease from now to midnight. As we look at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're still dealing with the stationary front, but as we add that daytime heating, as we add that energy, that's when we do start to see more showers and thunderstorms form, especially in deep East Texas and for areas just to the southeast of this front. Now, as we move into Wednesday, same thing. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, relatively dry, but we could start to see a few showers and thunderstorms developing Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. And this is going to be the case here over the next few days. Now, as we look at the rainfall totals, 1/2 inch to 2 inches for our central counties, about 1 to 3 inches in deep East Texas. So some heavy rain expected over the next 7 days. So something to look forward to, especially if you need to see the rain. We're at 76 degrees right now, and this is what I love. Anytime we have that rain-cooled air in July, it's just a needed break from the heat and humidity, and today was no exception. We got to 89 at Tyler today. The normal is 95. The record back in 2018, so not that long ago, about 6 years, 107 degrees was the record high temperature. Tonight, 72, 40% coverage of showers and storms. Tomorrow we get back to 86. Decent chance of a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in deep East Texas. But with the rain in the front and the storm systems, we will see temperatures in the 80s through the weekend for high temperatures. So some great news there. And then we do start to warm up a little bit next week when this pattern does begin to break off just a little bit. And then as we look at deep East Texas, the rain chances, they're a bit higher than what we are going to see in East Texas, meaning around Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Crockett. We do stand better rain chances both tomorrow and Wednesday. That should keep our temperatures a bit cooler with those highs in the 80s through next Sunday. Isaac, Casey.
Carson, thank you.